This is a 4 transistor amplifier circuit board. This board got problem, speaker output got voltage. Now I am going to repair this circuit. First I am going to connect the voltage. This is the positive voltage. I am connecting the positive voltage here. This is positive connection, and this is the sorry, I am not connecting here. I have to connect here. It will be good to repeat the circuit. Okay, this is positive, and this on the negative. This is the negative, and this is the ground. Now let's go to check. This circuit got problem, speaker output got voltage. Now I am going to repair. Okay, let's check the voltage first. Sorry for the light, I will change the light later, not now. Checking the voltage first. This is the ground, full round is the ground voltage. This is the negative 49 voltage has positive 49. Look, speaker output got voltage, speaker output got voltage, full voltage, positive voltage, full positive voltage. First I am going to check the circuit. Anywhere can lose. Look, I already see here got loose, here got loose connection. Look, we can see the loose connection is a loose connection. The transistor has loose connection. Look, this one is shaking. This one shaking. Now I have to resoldering here. Sometimes this type of circuit got like the problem. It's need to reconnect. I'm cleaning here the color from the print. Need to clear the color first, otherwise cannot the soldering. Now I am going to solder again nicely. I'm soldering here. Okay, I have to check another all transistor also. If anyone is shaking, no, this one is okay. It's okay, no loose contact, no loose contact. This one also no loose contact. I have to check like this. Shaking, no loose, no loose, no loose, no loose. Now let's go to check again. Now I'm going to check again. Now checking the voltage first. This is the ground, and this is negative voltage 49. This is positive voltage 49. Look, speaker output has no voltage. Now it's okay. Speaker output has no voltage. It's working well. 49. No DC voltage output. I have to check the AC. Okay, when I touch the input, then the speaker output got voltage. Okay, check AC voltage. Now touching input, look, it's getting the voltage. That means circuit is working well. Now the circuit is okay. Now checking using the speaker. This is the ground voltage for the speaker, and this is the speaker output. Now, wow, it's working well. Thank you for watching the video. It's a Brother Electronics Mike Joshua. If you want this circuit diagram, please check the comment link. There have the same circuit diagram. In the comment link, there is same circuit diagram. always have to check the component are loose or okay before using. Okay, now thank you for watching the video. Please visit electronicshealthcare.net. There are lots of amplifier circuit diagram. If you want this same circuit diagram, please check the comment link. There are this same circuit diagram. Thank you for watching the video.